and action. Hey guys, welcome to my sure. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Watch the ads. Watch the ads. Don't even pass the ads. I mean, don't pass ads. Don't pass ads. Watch all of it. So today in this video, right now I'm just up here there. Yeah, I'm on you to watch the end of the video and make sure you subscribe. So today in this video, I will be teaching you how to mix the Carowhite. Can you mix the Carowhite? Well, I think so and I don't think so. So you wouldn't be here if you could mix it. So alright, let's wrap up and go over to the carrot. But before I go though, that the Dove on the Carowhite is the real one. The one with I think the black and Dove, and the one with the white. Listen, I used the one with the white Dove, and if you notice the first video with the most views on my channel, where I get so light, yes, so light, it light my skin. It didn't give me no side effect. The one on the call, so I don't like. Well, I'm going to use this mixture, right? And you use what you want to use. If you want to use the black and the Dove, yes. Okay, so I'm just going to get right into my mixture. Yes, are you excited? Give me a drum roll, please. Give me a drum roll, please. Let's get right into the video because me excited to mix that something, yeah? Yeah, make sure you don't sit down and go and enjoy yourself and listen to music while I do that, man. That's something, yeah? Anyway, you don't like my ear? Talk about my ear. Me the ear. My ear nice. Talk up to me. Yeah, talk up to me. Alright, let me go right into the video. Yeah. I don't keep up with the time because I probably don't have a little function I go. I don't know, I'm burning up for no skin complexion. Suppose a wedding. I want a little something and you want your face cool and nice and glow like a baby skin. Yes, nice and cool. Yeah, right? Let's go. Okay guys, this is the Carowhite I've been using over the years. That was the first cream, especially jar cream that I was using, understand? And it works for me. The mixture works for me. As you can see, I have a video how to apply Carowhite. That is the Carowhite that I use, and let me tell you, this one works. I've been hearing people have been saying that the one with the Dove, right, and it has a black thing around it, whether or not it has a black thing around it, it is going to work. So for those other Carowhites, I don't know where I'm gonna get it from, but this one, it works. Alright, let's get right into the mixture. So I'm going to open it here. Okay, as you can see, it smells good. This smells good. It don't have no bad smell, no bad smell at all. It smells really perfumey, yeah. And this is the color. For the one that it is not good, it would have a orange, like a full orange, like even more orange than the car there, over there beside my hand. Yeah, you would see it. That is the fake one. But look at this color, it is the real one. You can know the difference. Understand? If it well orange, you know say it not good. Alright, So whether or not it has on black thing around the dove or white dove, this one is the good one for me. If you want to use the one with the black dove, I'm just teaching you how to mix this cream, not to show you about dove or whatever. Alright, so this is how it looks. So I'm going to scoop out half of this cream in this plastic bag. I'm not going to put it in my Caro tone buckle because I'm not doing Caro tone, I'm doing Carowhite. I'm not advertising no Caro tone in my Carowhite video. I'm sorry. Yes, so let me scoop it out and show how it scoop out. Yeah, and my bag is extremely clean. Oh yes, because you have to deal with clean things, no dirty things, clean things, because you don't want your face bump up. And if you have rash with Carowhite, listen, you need to discontinue use. Yes, because maybe your skin can't manage it, or your skin is sensitive, or some things make you just can't use Carotone, Carowhite, whatever cream you use. Well, I have papaya gel and I have milk protein. Right? I love milk protein and I love papaya. If you cannot get the milk protein, you can use the Carotone lightning gel in this cream with the papaya. Yeah, but I just have a special love for milk protein right now. Yes, so that's the reason why I'm going to use this in the cream. Okay, so mix kind of thin out to give it like a hair in it. You see the reason why I'm mixing it, I want to give it hair. You understand? You can't just use the cream on your face like that, just come out of the store whatever. You have to mix. And when you can use a hand blender, yeah, if you would choose to make it more hair. For this I have a sunscreen, right? I use my sunscreen in it, right? So I can protect my skin from the sun, because you do not want your skin to be exposed to the sun, because you know, say you will have dark under eyes, especially. We're going to squeeze it out. Let me set this properly. Okay, I wanted to see it. Let me turn the other way. So you see that white cream? It's called milk protein. That is how it's supposed to look. That is how it's supposed to look. Look at that. Creamy texture. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. People, just watch the mixture. Remember, if you're new, please like, share, subscribe. Share this video. If you reach far, share the video. Watch the ads, please guys, watch the ads. Right, then I'm going to add my papaya gel. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, look at that color, that orange color. Oh my god. Yes guys, yes guys, the moment of truth. Let me tell you, I love. You can add your shea butter to this. You can add your carrot oil to this. You can add, alright, your lemon oil. You can add different types of almond oil to this mixture. I'm not going to put it in there now, but let me tell you people, this is amazing. This is amazing. I'm going to mix with all my strength right now. Oh my gosh, you want everything to blend in proper. Oh no, look at, you can't waste cream, you know. You can't waste cream. So We are mix properly. We're going to mix with all our strength right now. Okay, so guys, look at this. Amazing.